diamonds on my neck. I like boarding jets, I like more than sex, but nothing in this world that I like more than checks. Money. All I really wanna see is the money. I don't really need a D, I need the money. All a bad bitch need is the money.
Hello. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tracy. In case you guys are new here to my channel, you're probably thinking like, who is this girl and who does she think she is wearing a little tiara? Well girl, I got into character. You guys know me. I always get into character with my videos, and you guys know by the title what palette I'm going to be reviewing. It is dun, 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 boom! It is Bretman Rock's Colourpop collaboration, and look how amazing and freaking, he is just such a diva. And of course, I had to get the blue backdrop, I had to get the tiara out, and I had to get into character for this. I stumbled across Bretman Rock's post that he was collaborating with Colourpop, and as you guys know, Colourpop is such an affordable makeup brand, and I was just like, I was hoping that it was like within my budget. I mean, I already broke my budget like spending on Jeffree Star or whatever. But this palette is like $12 and it was blue eyeshadows. I didn't want to go with the red one because, like I mentioned to you guys in my last video, I'm like over coppers, over like the reds and like all of the browns. Like I'm just over it. Just the lip palette wasn't drawing my attention, and this one definitely did, so I picked this one up along with the body glitter. This is the Oh My God, I'm Wet glitter. And look how freaking pretty it is. It's a body glitter. It's not supposed to be near your eyes. You're never supposed to have glitter near your eyes, but you know what? I'm a rebel and I'm gonna do it anyway. You guys know how I do my reviews. I do a try-on, so you guys are gonna see how I came about this look using the palette and the glitter. Then after the try-on, I'm going to share with you guys some of the swatches. I'm going to share my thoughts in regards to both of the products. So if you're interested in this kind of video, then keep watching.
No, I'd rather be waking up with you. Set up alone in your room, slept with the light on, waiting up for you. I don't want to be.
Okay girls, so to start off this look, I've already primed my lids. I'm going to be taking this color here, Skinny Legend. Only if that were true. And I'm going to take a fluffy blending brush. I'm using this one by Alamar. I really want to bring this eyeshadow to my brow bone, so just blending that up here. Next eyeshadow that I'm going to be picking up is this one here called Ewa Beach. Ewa Beach. I'm going to be using the mini tapered brush by Luxie, and just applying that right at the crease here. I just want to intensify this eyeshadow by packing it on, and once it's already packed on, blending that out. You guys have been seeing me use these little mini precision brushes quite often in my videos, and you get these for $21 just by subscribing to BoxyCharm, and these on their own, they retail for $21. So if you get BoxyCharm, you're gonna get 5 other full-size makeup products. So if you're not subscribed already, I suggest that you at least check them out. I do have a link down in the description box if you guys wanna check that out. I'm gonna be picking up this little mini angled brush here, and this is the Luxie 131. The next eyeshadow that I'm picking up is this one here called Mood. So I'm just dipping into the eyeshadow Mood and then spraying it with some Tarte setting spray. And I just really want to intensify it since this is the darkest eyeshadow in the palette. I love using this angled brush to do these type of looks, or just to darken up any outer corner and inner corner as well. I'm just wiping off the excess product from the same brush, and I just want to diffuse this outer corner here. Using the same mini tapered brush that I used to apply the color Ewa Beach, I'm just blending that out. And as you can see, it kind of lost its color here, but don't worry, we're going to go back in and fix that. I just want to make sure that this is all well blended, because then I'm going to hear about it in the comments from you guys. Like, this bitch doesn't even know how to blend. Ugh, This is so bomb. Alright, my darling, so now I'm going to take the color Thickums and I'm going to use a brush like this here. This is actually from my Smoky palette, my Urban Decay Smoky palette. And I'm also going to spray that. I want to make sure this is really an intense, beautiful color as it looks in the palette. So just tapping that on in the center. I feel like we kind of lost that color I can't say this. Eel Beach. Okay, Eel Bitch. I'm just gonna say Eel Bitch, okay? So I feel like we lost that color and I'm just gonna go ahead and go back over here very lightly because I think that's like such a pretty brown and I really want it to show through. So now I'm gonna go ahead and get caught up to speed with this eye and give me a second. Okay, my love, so we're looking good here, and I'm going to be taking the Ruby Kiss Cosmetics eyeliner, and this is in Very Black. If you're noticing that my hands kind of look blue, it's because I just finished dyeing my hair. I'm going to be using this Luxie 141 mini round brush, and I'm going to just go ahead and dip into the color Mood, and just go underneath that eyeliner here. I'm trying to be very careful because I've already applied concealer and set my face, so. And then now I'm just gonna go ahead and diffuse that eyeshadow. I'm gonna dip into the color I'm Chillin' on the angled brush and just apply it down here. I'm gonna use the Unlashed Wander Beauty mascara. I'm going to pop on some lashes. These are the Paddington Monroe Silk Lashes. Taking the Note Cosmetics Desert Rose Blush, and I fucked it up, but that's okay. I'm going to take this on a Carity F25 brush. Apply it to my cheeks here. I'm going to take this Pixi Delicate Dew highlighter and I really want to dip into this color here. Since this is the wet palette, I just want to drip in a bunch of highlighter to make it look like I'm actually like wet. I got my hair wet. I keep spraying it with water because it's like drying down and I want to keep the wet vibe going on here. Apply it to my non-existent collarbone. I'm going to take some of this MAC Fix Plus and just spray the face down. I think I'm going to do that for the end of the video, just spray my whole face again. I'm just going to go ahead and take this Color Lit liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Boss Lady. And top off my lipstick using this The Collective Cosmetics lip topper, and this is in the pink shade. On the Collective website, you can also get these lip toppers scented, either strawberry or vanilla, which I think is so freaking cool. Aside from them being so pretty, this has like a blue shift to it. I think it's so freaking beautiful. Okay, you guys, so I did get my hands on this glittery Obsessed body glitter, and this is in Oh My God, I'm Wet. How can I pass up on glitter? Like, I had to have this glitter. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be taking this blending E36 Sigma brush, and I know it's body glitter, but I really want to apply some of this stuff. Alright, got my water dot here. I'm trying to get like a little star to stick. Oh, there we go. Ah, that's looking so beautiful. Beautiful, 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 beautiful angel. Ooh, I'm digging this. I still feel like I need more glitter, so I'm gonna go ahead and take this highlight diffuser Sigma E71 brush, and it's like a flat brush here. I really want to use this brush because I'm going to dip into the glitter and it's going to randomly grab the glitter separately. I don't know if that makes sense, but I'm going to show you. Okay, whatever. It's not going to focus, but when I dip in there, it's going to... Bitch, it's not applying. I don't know if you can see on the brush that it barely grabs a few specks of glitter, and that's what I'm going for because I'm going to be applying it to this top part here. I am very pleased with this look. All I'm going to do now is set my entire face and body. Oh, I love the smell of Fix Plus. It is like the best smell ever. Alright, now that I'm looking like a freaking wet dog, if you see in the packaging of the palette, you see Bretman wearing like little tiaras and stuff. Well, bitch, why not? I'm a glitter princess. Okay guys, so this is what the glitter packaging looks like. It says, oh my god, I'm wet. Glitterly obsessed. Once you take it out of the box, it looks like this here. It's a good size. And it does have this little safety cover so that it doesn't go all over the place. This is like a gel consistency. It's not like a press on glitter. And that's how that swatches. So obviously it's not meant to swatch all pretty. You just kind of like pack it on throughout your body, just like that. It's really pretty. This would have been perfect when I used to rave back in the day. I used to be a big raver. I already showed you guys the packaging in this, but just look at Bretman Rock. He is so freaking hot. This is what the palette looks like. It's so freaking beautiful. And down here it just says Bretman by Colourpop. In the back of the palette it tells you the names of the eyeshadows that are in here, and this is also cruelty free. You see the little bunny? These are the eyeshadows that are in the palette. I'm going to begin swatching from the very top, and this is the color Finished. Of course it's a white color, so it's not going to swatch the best. Alright, I try my best with these swatches. Don't come after me like you guys go after James Charles. The next color that I'm taking is I'm Chillin'. Alright, I did go over that a few times. The next color is Laugh Out Loud, I'm Crying. And then this is Skinny Legend. I did go over this one a few times because that kind of looks like my skin color. And that's it for the top row, and then moving on to the bottom row. This next shade is called Mood. This next color is called Fishy. I seriously pressed on that eyeshadow too much, so that's why you guys seen all the flakes. And this next color is so freaking beautiful. This one is called Thickums. I knew that when I seen this eyeshadow, I really had to use it. I'm so glad that I did because I'm so happy with my look. And then last but not least, this is Eel Beach. Eel Beach. This one blended really beautiful, so this swatch might not look the best, but trust me, this blended really nice. And these are all the eyeshadows from this palette. You guys have no idea how many times I sprayed water in my hair so that it can stay looking wet. I'm such a dork. Anyway, so now you guys seen the swatches, you guys seen me try on some of these eyeshadows, and now I want to talk to you guys about the eyeshadow palette, which I used both of these eyeshadows first, as you guys seen, and I think that you can definitely create some neutral looks using just these two here. And this one, oh, it is so beautiful. You can definitely do some nice cut creases using some of these eyeshadows and then putting this at the lid. You can also smoke out some of the blues with this eyeshadow here. I am so happy with this purchase. It was only $12, and I gotta support Bretman Rock. He has been reposting me on his makeup page lately, and I just want to support him back. I really appreciate him supporting small influencers like myself, and not a lot of big influencers do that, so I gotta have my man's back. I had no problem in blending the mattes, and then the shimmer shadows just performed phenomenal. You guys seen my swatches over here, somewhere over here. Look, you can even see that sparkle from the side. Ew. The packaging is like, you guys seen it, like it's so beautiful. And then the glitter, like I said, if I was still a raver girl, then I would totally wear this often, but I'm not, so I'm just gonna be using it for fun makeup looks. I'm just drawn to the blues because I'm a Pisces and blue is just my color. I really hope that you guys like this look. I know that this look is not wearable, but you can definitely rock it without all the glitter and stuff. Definitely without the tiara. If you like this video, make sure that you give the video a thumbs up. Like I always mention, giving my video a thumbs up helps my video get out there and be seen by other people that have not seen my channel already. Thank you so much for your support, and thank you for watching today's video, and I'll hopefully see you guys in my next video. But before you guys leave, make sure that you do catch up on my videos that are going to be right over here, and also click this little circle right here and it'll subscribe you to my channel in case you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys. Bye!